Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. NaturallyAds here, NaturallyAds on YouTube, and today's video, surprisingly, I am back with another hair video finally. So I do have a lot filmed, so I don't know if I'm going to post this one first or those ones first, but currently as of now I am locked. I have micro locks, so today I'll be showing you guys how I installed my micro locks. So I think I mentioned it maybe before when my face was kind of weird a couple of years ago, but I do have seborrhoeic, that's how you pronounce it, something like that, dermatitis, which I don't really want to go into. But as you can see, my scalp is always really flaky, and you might have seen in other hair videos that my scalp looks like it's got lots of dandruff or it's dirty. This hair was washed at the start of the week, and this was like Friday when I was finishing it, so you're going to see a lot of scratching. But although I was a bit scared to start locks because of how my hair was, but I decided to go ahead. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed my micro locks, and throughout this journey I'm going to show you how I did with my seborrhoeic. If you know how to pronounce it, let me know down below. Dermatitis in locks. I have watched some videos about it, so I might link those down below. So anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So at the start, I'm showing you one whole section of me twisting it. So my partings, at the start I was going to do a perfect grid, but if you don't know, I do have a baby, and at this time he was like 3 months old. So it took me a whole week to install this, and he didn't really give me a lot of time to do it. So I kind of gave up with the whole neat grid pattern. For the most part, the straight lines, the like horizontal partings are straight, but the individual partings for the boxes aren't, because I use my fingers. But yeah, so I'm going to show you me installing the mini twists, and then I'll be back for when I do the interlocking, because that's the most important part, because it's a twist. I've done lots of twist videos. Also, my hair is dyed. I dyed it myself, an ombre colour. Oh, I forgot the name of it. I will link down below the hair colour that I dyed my hair. I think it's ginger blonde or something like that. But I can't believe I forgot. I even prepared it. But I'm going to let you guys watch me install the mini twist in this whole section, and I'll come back to explain my interlocking process and if it's still the same now after 1 month. But anyways, enjoy.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. That thing where I go if you relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man, point instrumental. Even the one time. It's okay. Bad man, see what they do then. Pull up. Bad man, feel gone away.
Okay, so I finished all my micro twists. So as you can see, this is the lock tool I'm using. I will link it down below. I got it off of Amazon. It was like a whole set of different size crochet needles and stuff. So I'm just gonna explain it to as you guys are watching it. I might not be explaining it at the right time, but you can see what I'm doing. So I hooked the end of my hair through the crochet needle, well, the lock tool, and when I started my locks I was doing 4-point rotation. I've since changed to a 2-point rotation, but as here I was doing a 4-point rotation, and I made sure all of the twists were ended from north to south. Yeah, I'm not really good with directions, so I'm just gonna say up, down, left, right. So I started from the bottom to the top, then I went from the back to the front. No, I started from the front to the back, bottom to top, front to back, and then top to bottom. And I did that. I think I did 1 or 2 rotations. No, I did 1 rotation for each twist, even if I had extra space, just because I was just trying to establish the interlocking pattern. Oh, as you can see, I was talking to my baby, that's why my head was moving like that. But yeah, so let's see if I can explain that again. I started from the front and made my way backwards. Oh, okay, no, I started from the back and made my way forward. I then went from the bottom to the top, and then from the front to the back. And then I went from top to bottom, and I made sure all of them ended from top to bottom so that it all laid the right way. So the left side was all going top to bottom on the left, and the right side top to bottom on the right, and in the back they were going top to bottom, going backwards, just so that when I started again I knew where I stopped, even though you can tell from the Y in the room. I just wanted to make sure it was not interlocking in the same way twice and creating gaps in my locks. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the installation process and how I finished up my hair and sprayed it and made it look good. I did leave a lot of hair at the ends because I wanted loose curly ends. As of now, some of them have kind of started locking up from the bottom upwards, so they are budding some of the curly ends, but I've decided that every time I refresh my ends, if the ends look like it's already going to lock up, I'm going to leave it and only focus on the ones that are still loose, because I don't want to manipulate my hair too much. And I have since joined a lot of my locks, so I am due to do a lock count video. I just haven't done it, but some of the parts are much bigger than they were in this video, because I joined them, because you can see some of them are quite tiny, especially since I wasn't doing an active locking system. Sorry if this bad, I don't know why it's so loud, but I just need to get this done. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys watch it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go if you relate, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I'm wanting her more. That me blow. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ, bad man, point instrumental, even your one time. It's okay. Bad hunting, they take you down.